This is an origami water bomb. It looks like an inflated balloon or cube. You can blow into this hole and fill with water. Then you can throw at people. To make a square, take the upper corner and fold it to this edge. Then flip the paper over. Fold the strip up so it meets the other side. Crease it well. Then tear in the crease we've just made. With the square, take the corner and fold it here. This will make a diagonal crease. Unfold, then take this corner and fold it to the upper corner. Unfold, flip the paper over, and fold it in half. Unfold the paper and fold it the other way in half. To make the water bomb base, slightly open the paper, pinch this diagonal crease, also pinch this one, and press them together. Do the same with this side. Open the paper, pinch the diagonals, and push them together. Take this and fold it to the center crease. Do the same with this point. Flip the paper over and repeat for this side. Rotate the paper and take this point and fold it to the middle. Take the loose flaps and fold them up. Do with the 3 remaining flaps. Flip the model over and repeat. Now, tuck this flap into this pocket. So, make sure the pocket's open wide enough and insert it in. Do the same with this flap. Tuck it in. Flip the motto over and tuck the other two flaps in. Fold the bottom flap up. This is to help shape the water bomb. Unfold, rotate, and fold this flap up. Unfold, turn the paper over, and repeat. With the side of the flaps inserted in the pockets facing toward you, open the water bomb. Now blow into the hole on top.